The transmission temperature warning light is a critical alert that indicates your automatic transmission fluid is overheating beyond safe operating levels. Understanding the temperature ranges is crucial. Normal operating temperature is between 175 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The warning light typically activates between 220 to 240 degrees, and temperatures above 250 degrees can cause critical damage. Modern vehicles feature sophisticated multi-stage warning systems. These typically provide yellow warnings at lower temperatures and red critical alerts at higher levels, giving drivers multiple opportunities to respond appropriately. Many 2024 and 2025 model vehicles now feature advanced connectivity, sending transmission temperature alerts directly to smartphone apps. This allows drivers to monitor their vehicle's health remotely and receive immediate notifications. The primary functions of ATF temperature monitoring are threefold: protecting fluid viscosity to maintain proper lubrication, preserving internal components from heat damage, and ensuring optimal transmission performance and shift quality. Several factors can cause your transmission to overheat. Traditional causes include low transmission fluid levels, which reduces the system's ability to cool itself effectively. Modern vehicles face additional challenges. Continuously variable transmissions are particularly sensitive to temperature changes, while hybrid systems and advanced all-wheel drive systems create new heat management complexities. Ignoring the transmission temperature warning can have severe consequences. Heat damage progresses rapidly, potentially shortening your transmission's life by 50% and significantly reducing your vehicle's value. The financial impact is dramatic. Immediate response costs between $100 and $800 for towing and fluid service. However, ignoring the warning can result in repair bills exceeding $7,000 for complete transmission replacement. The statistics are alarming. Only 34% of drivers immediately stop when the transmission temperature light activates. However, immediate response can prevent damage in 91% of cases. Modern vehicles also record when warnings are ignored, which can void your warranty coverage.